If you're experiencing FPS drops on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve common issues that may be causing performance problems. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, select System, then Updates, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadows. This can help reduce the load on your console and improve frame rates. Step 3. Clear cache. Power cycle your console to clear the cache. Hold the power button on the front of the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Unplug the power cable for a minute, then plug it back in and turn the console on. This can resolve temporary performance issues. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can cause lag and FPS drops in online games. Test your network speed in the Xbox settings under Network. If your connection is slow, consider using a wired connection or optimizing your Wi-Fi setup. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game experience in FPS drops. This could fix corrupted files that may be affecting performance. Go to My Games and Apps, select the game, press the menu button, and choose Uninstall. Then reinstall it from your library. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve FPS drops on your Xbox Series X and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.